Welcome. If you wonder if Vivo Y72 5G from the European distribution comes with silicone case and the box set, let me show you. So as you can see, we can find here the silicone case. I'm going to put it on the phone. And take a look. We get good access to this power key, cover volume buttons. At the bottom we can find speakers, USB-C charging port, jack 3.5mm, microphone, and at the top we can find another microphone and the SIM tray. In this case it's a little bit above the camera set and also a little bit above this screen, so when you put your phone on the flat surface we cannot scratch it because it's protected with this silicone case. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.